Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Day Trade with Tony Small Account Challenge. And I say small account challenge. We were a little over $19,500 in the account at the start of business today. So it is a smaller account for sure. We started in mid-January with $2,500. We did get up to 49,000, and we've had two big days, or big losses over the last week, where we've been hit with unforeseen challenges, shall we say. So we lost kind of 20,000 on the Monday, and then another 8,000 on Thursday. So across the course of that, it's left us with 19,500 in the account. That being said, we kind of refocused our approach. We're still looking for the same goal each day, so a minimum of 5% growth per day. But the goal now is to hit 50K in 50 days. So today is day 44. So we've got another 6 days to do it. I'm not saying we can't. It's going to be tight. We've had a nice, good green day today. And we've managed substantially over goal today. We've done 15%, well, 14.26% is the what we've managed today. And so almost 3 times goal. If we do that every single day, we ideally want to be averaging between now and the end of the challenge $2,000. So we've done 2,800 today. So that's a good start. And that will take us to about $2,200 for tomorrow. Which means that if we've got a 5% growth, we're looking for $1,100 in terms of gains tomorrow as a minimum. Ideally, we can get a 10% and get another 2,200. That would be great, but we'll see what happens. So $22,000 is our starting position from tomorrow. We traded one stock today. We traded New York Community Bank. Now, the reason New York Community Bank was moving up it's quite simple. A couple of weeks ago, we had Signature Bank kind of got shut down by the regulators shortly after Silicon Valley Bank. So the whole banking contagion, the crisis or contagion that you're looking at, Signature Bank was part of that, a casualty of that. And New York Community Bank has got accepted to is being allowed to acquire some of the assets of Signature Bank. So it's moving up on the back of that, moved up quite substantially today. So that, again, just like last week, the volatility all in the banking sector today. A couple of other smaller, low float stocks, which I normally trade, had volatility, but I was concentrating on I've made a lot of money this last week or so in the banking sector, so I've got to know how they move. They are risky. There's a lot of risk there, but it's high reward. The volatility. We love volatility. As day traders, we love volatility. That's where we make our money. It's the volatility that really sets it up. And unfortunately, on Thursday last week, the volatility actually took the money off me. So easy come, easy go, as they say. So we've been able to make some of that drawdown back. Unfortunately, not all of it. But we've made some of it back, at least. Let's look at how we did it. So what we can see here is that this moved up. It was moving up nice. Got to kind of the 850. We have this little pullback here as it moved up and made highs. Broke the $0.50 I entered. It did move up. I could have taken some profits there. I got a good 10 cents. I think I got 12 cents on that move. It pulled back, but I just held through. It consolidated for a little while before it then made a real move up, and I was able to take profits there, and then I was able to add to the position up at the top and take profits as it started to pull back, and I got out for a nice profit. So that was the New York Community Bank. As it looked to make its move all the way back down, and then as it looked to be bouncing near the VWAP, I entered another position here. Again, it moved up, but then it started to pull back and entered this consolidation range. I added to the position there, and as it started to make its move up here, I got out, and that was for a profit. So I made $2,800 on that. And I'll show you that. I'll record the largest portion of that trade. This first. I'll put that on the on the back of this recap, and you can watch that for yourself. But that was a good start to the day. $2,800 start to the day on a small account. I moved over onto the main account. I did trade New York Community Bank on the main account. Made $300 or so dollars, 360 I think it was on the main account as well. Traded a couple of other things over there, but what I was able to do today is execute against my mantra better than I have done previously, shall I say, which is get green, stay green, get to goal, and get out. And that's pretty much what I did on the small account. It's certainly what I did on the main account. I went back and got a little bit extra on the main account with First Republic, but I didn't really risk much at all across the course of the day. So once I got green, I didn't risk much in terms of staying green, and I managed to get over goal and get out. So we do it again tomorrow. Come join me. Before I tack on the recordings, make sure you smash the thumbs up button and subscribe if you want to. And I'll see you tomorrow, now before the market opens. So we did live trading for 2.5 hours, as we do every single day, from 8:30 market time, which is 12:30 GMT, and we'll be doing the last hour of the pre-market session and the first 90 minutes of the regular session. So come join me. We'll do it all again. Get involved, and I look forward to seeing you there. In the meantime, enjoy the recap. Take care. Okay. Go. Already. Nice. Start to the day. All accounts. Oh, no. There we go. 2,700. Not a bad start to the day.